Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. The first step that I like to take before doing anything else is plucking out my eyebrows. So I'm just using a pair of tweezers and then just pulling out any hairs that I see. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to be going in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color medium brown. I'm going to be doing one of my eyebrows with this pencil, and then I'm going to be doing the other eyebrow with the dip brow, just to kind of show you guys how I use both of these products and how they look and basically the steps that I take. This does have an angled tip. It is thick at the bottom and then thinner at the top, so it does help apply on a lot easier. I like to start at the front of my brow, and then I basically just draw a line underneath my brow and then push the product into the hair. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the top of my brow. I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm going to draw a line all the way across my brow and then push the product down. To clean everything up, I'm going to be going in with this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer and this flat brush from Morphe. This is the M432. I'm going to grab some of that product with my brush, and I'm going to be applying it right underneath my eyebrow to clean everything out. Alright guys, so this is the final look using the brow definer. Moving on to the other eyebrow, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color dark brown. I'm also going to be using their number 12 brush. This is a double-sided brush. It has a spoolie on one side and then an angled brush on the other. I'm going to go ahead and use the angled side to apply the product. So I'm going to go ahead and basically repeat the same steps that I did on the other eyebrow. I'm going to create a line underneath, and then with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and push the product up. Moving on to the top of my brow, I am going to repeat the same steps that I did with the first brow. As you can see here, my eyebrows are two different shades of brown. I don't use these products together. I like to use the brow definer when my hair color is a lot lighter, and then I use the dip brow when my hair is very dark. So this is just to show you guys two different products and then how I use them. To finish this eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead and use the concealer again and just clean everything up. Once I've concealed the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and move to the top of my brows and then just go in with the concealer once again and clean that up. To tame my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Great Lash Clear Gel, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to my eyebrows. Alright guys, so this is the final look using both products. I hope you guys liked this video and that you guys found it helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know what videos you guys would like to see next, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!